Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Melissa. Today I'm going to make simple Thai chili paste or Prik Pao. This recipe is really fantastic for spicy soup, spicy stir fry, spicy fried rice. How to make it? Let's get started. I'm going to cut white onion and red onion for square shape or medium size and set aside. Cut the chili and take the seed out. After that, add the water into the dry chili to wash the dusty off from the chili, then dry them off on the paper towel. Cut chili into the large chunk. Add the chili and salt, then throw the chili into the pan on medium heat to low. Continue stirring and flip the chili every 1 or 2 minutes until the chili turns golden and brown and smells smoky. Then remove from the pan and let it cool down. Spread vegetable oil into the pan and throw the garlic and onion on a medium heat to low. Continue stirring and flip it every 1 or 2 minutes until garlic and onion turn golden brown. Then remove from the pan and let it cool down. Add the onion and garlic into the food processor, or you can use a mortar and pestle and grind it well. After that, transfer the onion and garlic into the bowl and set aside. Add the chili in the food processor or mortar and pestle and grind it. After that, transfer the chili into the bowl and set aside. Turn on the heat into medium heat and add vegetable oil into the pan. After the oil heats up, add the onion and garlic into the pan. Continue stirring until the onion and garlic getting a little golden brown. Then add the chili and salt. Continue cooking about 20 minutes until all ingredients mixing well. After 20 minutes, The chili paste is ready. Turn off the heat and let the chili paste cool down. After the chili cool down, transfer the chili paste into the blender and grind it. Well done! Thai chili paste or น้ำพริกเผา I hope you enjoy with my video. See you guys next time. Bye!